In our next topic, law of chemical combination. The first topics, law of conservation of mass. It states that mass can either be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. This means that during a chemical reaction, the sum of masses of the reactant and the products remain unchanged. Reactants mean the substances which takes part in the chemical reactions are called as reactant, while the general definition of products is the substances which are formed in a chemical reactions are called as products. Its activity: take some sodium sulfate solution in a conical flask and some barium chloride solution in an ignition tube. Hang the ignition tube in the flask by thrust and plot a cork on the flask. Find the mass of a flask on the balance. The tilt the flask, a chemical reaction takes place and sodium chloride and barium sulfate are formed. Then find masses of the flask. Again it will be seen that the mass of the sum of the masses of reactant and product remains unchanged. Law of constant proportion. It's stated in a chemical compounds the elements are always present in a definite proportion by mass. For example, in a water molecules, a water molecule containing two elements, hydrogen and oxygen, combined together in a same ratio of 2:16 or 1:8 by mass. If 9 gram of water is decomposed, we get 1 gram of hydrogen and 8 gram of oxygen. Ammonia, whose general formula is NH3, it always contains two elements, nitrogen and hydrogen, combined together in the same ratio of 14:3 by mass. Dalton's atomic theory. The first point is matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms. Next point, atoms are individual and cannot be created or not destroyed in a chemical reaction. Next point, atoms of given elements are similar in mass and properties. Next point, atoms of different elements have different masses and properties. Next point, atoms combine in a small whole number ratio to form compound. Next point, in a given compound the relative number and kinds of atom are constant. Next topic, atom. An atom is the smallest particle of an element that may or may not exist independently and remains all its chemical properties atoms are very small in a size and smaller than anything we can imagine or compare with. Atomic radius is measured in a nanometer. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 power minus 9 meter, or 1 meter is equal to 10 power 9 nanometer. The atomic radius of an atom of hydrogen is 10 power minus 10 meters. The radius of water molecules is 10 power minus 9 meter.